Hello, welcome back to the 7th House Art Studio. So for Christmas at work, I got a gift card, one of those Visa ones, to use wherever I wanted to use. And part of that I used on these Faber Castell Metallic Effects markers. Let's see. There's two different sets. I didn't think to get the one set that had... I know why I didn't do it, because I was at Michael's and they had buy one, get one 50% off. That's why I chose the two separate ones instead of the one big one. Okay, so it is carbon neutral product. Let's see, store in horizontal position, special tip marks in 3 widths, water-based ink. Made in Austria. Okay, so this is not something that you want to use on anything that you're going to sell. Unless you're going to scan it and make posters of it. So we have two different sets. Let's test this first set. And I wish I would have looked at the packaging better, because this package is pretty beat up. I hope it wasn't something that was returned. So each one has 4 different markers, 4 different colors. This one is called Precious Green, Shimmering Violet, Glorious Red, Magnificent Blue. So I got white and black paper here to test these on. So let's test out the Precious Green. Okay, so there's the tip. It's kind of not in line with the... Well, maybe it is, I don't know. So let's see. Okay, it's not showing up really great on black paper. Maybe it will when it's drier. So you got the fat. What are they talking about? 3 different ones. 3 different widths. Maybe it's like this. I don't know. It's a little weird. It's not showing up on black. I thought it would. Of course, this is just black construction paper, and this is just white copy paper. So that's that color. Shimmering Violet. They are very sparkly. They are not good on black. I will test to see if you can blend them together as well. Let's get some colors down here. I'm like, it's not a smooth stroke. Maybe I'm pressing too hard. That's what it is. It's not really red. It's kind of a burnt orange. And Magnificent Blue. Yeah, you don't want to press too hard or you'll get like a stutter. So let's see. I didn't even try these over here. This black paper. No, so don't even, you're just going to get sparkles on the black. So we'll just get rid of that. Well, we might use it for the gold that's coming up in the other set. But they are pretty sparkly. Not very much metallic, more of a sparkle than a metallic. Is that picking up? All right, let's see if we can do any kind of blending. No. It just kind of lays on top. Okay. They're nice and fat, but I honestly thought that the nibs would be as fat and wide as the casing. So this one we have glamorous gold, shiny silver, pearl rose, is that picking up? And brilliant ruby. So let's test these out. That one shows up a little bit more on the black. Okay, so start up here. Yeah, they're not so much metallic as they are just glittery. See, I thought that this nib would be this wide. That was one of the biggest reasons why I picked these out. Shiny silver. Yeah. If you're going to use these, don't use something dark paper. And pearl rose. Okay. I'm actually a little bit disappointed. They should have just said glitter and not metallic. I like the second set a lot better. What set is that called? Anything? No, they don't have like certain names for the sets. So for this set that I like better is 1546.23. And the one that's not working out so great is 1546.24. Yeah, I definitely like this set better than this set. And neither one of them work really great on black paper. They're just glittery. So we'll just get rid of that. So, okay. I like this set. This one's eh. I don't really think they're metallic. I think it's just glitter. And disappointed on this. I thought that would be a wider one. I think these were like $7.50 each. Normal retail price at Michael's. So, what are your thoughts? Will this be something that you would try? That you would think that you could get some good use out of? I don't know. This set I'll probably use. I mean, it might be good in coloring books. Yeah, they're not metallic. They're not metallic. They're glitter. So keep that in mind if you're looking for a nice metallic wide. If you're looking for a metallic wide nibbed marker, these are not it. And if you're looking for a regular size nib marker that is glittery, these are for you. Wow. And I've had my eyes on these for quite a while. I finally decided to go ahead and get them since they were buy one, get one 50% off, and I had the gift card. I'm glad I had the gift card and didn't spend my own money. Well, that's really kind of disappointing. But do you use these? Do you like these? Is this something that you want to try? Yeah, make a comment. I would like to know your opinion. If you like this content, hit that like button. Maybe think about subscribing. If I've changed your mind, if you've been looking for not looking for them, but looking at them, and this video helped you make a decision, I'd like to know that too. So thank you for watching, and please come back, hit that like, share, comment, and go do your laundry. Thank you.